Hello everybody and welcome to Science Thrills. My name is Vic. Today we're going to be looking at pollen grains under the microscope. But before we begin, I'm just going to give you a basic overview of the parts of the microscope. This thing over here is the eyepiece of what you look at the thing under the microscope from. Here is the arm where you can just move the microscope from. And here is the stage where you put the specimen. And you need a slide, I'm pretty sure it's called, and you need a cover. But you got to be really delicate with it because they can break easily and they're really small. Now we're going to make a wet mount. I'm gently going to put the slide over here and just a drop of water. Oops, it's a bit too much, but that doesn't matter. Now here's a flower. Thank you.
I'm moving the microscope away.
Thank you. Slowly, gently. Now we put it on.
What is that?
This is the anther.
Very good.
Where the pollen grains are located in. Now, it may seem like there's nothing over there for you. Now I should remove this and I'll just put it on the side here. And now I'll gently...
What is that white powder there?
You'll soon find out. It's pollen. As I said, if you can you see? Now, we move the microscope a bit closer.
Now we are going to slowly try and remove the excess water.
Oh, yes.
I'll show you how that's done.
Yep. Thank you.
So can you hold the phone for me, please?
Yes, I'm sure. I'll hold my phone.
So you drain out the extra water.
From the sides?
Yes. So if you take your tissue to the side, it'll automatically absorb all the extra water and your cover slip will sit firm on your specimen. Okay?
Okay. Thank you. Now for the fun bit. We're going to be placing our slide under the microscope. So if you don't know how to do this, here's it. There's a stage here and there are two stage clips. You put the thing under the stage clip, the cover under the stage clips, and level it till under the thing. The focus knob, no, not focus. Now we are looking at 4x. So 4x times 10x, because there's 10x here, is 40. So it makes the specimen looks 40 times bigger. Let's see it. Okay.
What are you doing?
Trying to focus it. Oops, I think I saw something. Yeah. Yep, there it is. Guys, this might not be the best way to show it inside the microscope, but it's definitely worth a try. Let's try. That looks okay. Can you guys see it? Those large dots are the pollen grains. 40 times. Now let's see it 100 times. Ooh, that looks good. Yeah, focus. There. Okay, yep. This is nice and big. It's 100x. Can I show them? Let's try this. Can you see those dots over there? Those are the pollen grains, but 100 times bigger. Guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next video, which will be uploaded maybe tomorrow. And we hope to see you soon again. Bye!